Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen and my first what I eat in a day video. I've gotten so many questions on this. I've never done a video like this before, but I've gotten so many questions that I'm like, let's just do it. So hopefully it's healthy-ish. It's a real life what I eat. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to keep my skin glowy, a smoothie that I really love by NeoCell, and this video is sponsored by NeoCell, so thank you guys. Let's get started. So one of the first things that I do in the morning after I'm done getting ready is grab my bottle of water and my planner, and I'll go through my schedule for the day, see what's going on, make adjustments while I'm drinking my water. But it's important for me to first drink water because you release all the toxins from your body before you put anything else into it. Your body will also absorb nutrients easier, and it'll just overall help with your digestive system. After that, I'll go and feed Mochi and start on my breakfast. All right, so normally I would have a cup of coffee in the morning, but I've lowered my intake in caffeine, so I'll switch my days. But today it's just the smoothie. It was hard. This is a new lifestyle for me, but slowly but surely. I'm gonna show you how I make my smoothie and all the ingredients that I put into the smoothie. This is one of them. I don't know if it's healthy or not, but it definitely has some healthy benefits to it. I don't know if it's completely healthy, but it tastes good and it has some vegetables in it and some fruit, so I'll get into it. When I'm making my smoothies, I want them to taste good, I want them to be good for me, and I want them to be crunchy. So I'll add in ice, frozen fruit. Today I'm putting in mango. It helps lower your cholesterol and also clears your skin. I'm adding spinach and a banana, and then after that I'll add my NeoCell. So I'll take 1 scoop of the NeoCell Super Collagen French vanilla flavor, and I'll add that to my smoothie. And this is gonna help support healthy collagen formation to create really nice glowy skin, healthy looking hair and nails. I feel like it's definitely helped my skin get that natural glowing from within kind of look. And it's definitely helped with my nails and my hair. If you guys want to check it out, you can buy it on Amazon, but it's just an easy way to get those vitamins into my body by drinking them, and they taste good, so love that for me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it doesn't look the cutest at all, but it is so good, trust me. All right, you guys, so I just finished making my collagen smoothie. It looks a little funny, but it tastes so good and it's pretty good for you. So I know I'm not gonna have time to make breakfast for myself. I have a meeting in like 10 minutes, so I have to get going to my office. That is so yummy. I'm drinking spinach right now, and it does not taste like spinach. I'm really bad about eating all my vegetables. I'm an adult. I have to take vitamins. I'm like a kid. If I can put my vegetables, if I can hide it in something yummy, I'm good. I feel like I definitely need as much collagen and support for my skin to glow and stay looking nice and young. And so I need all the extra collagen I can get, so I'm gonna drink it. I do all the things so that I can keep my skin looking healthy and glowy. You guys ask all the time, and this is one part of how I keep my skin so glowy and so healthy, by staying hydrated, drinking my collagen smoothie, and just choosing better food for my body. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the office, drink my smoothie, and I will see you guys for lunchtime. Let's go. So I just finished up with a meeting and now I'm headed to lunch. I either want a chicken salad or a tuna or salmon salad. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I'll let you guys know when I pick it up and decide. There's like a little area where I can get it from. So I'm not gonna make it at home just because I don't feel like it, to be honest. I'll probably make dinner. I have too many things going on today, so I'm just gonna pick something up really quick and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna get. So I ended up getting a salmon salad with avocado and it's so yummy. Cannot wait for the omega-3s. Omega-3 is really good if you have anxiety or depression or anything like that. I've always had anxiety as a young kid, always, but I never really take medication for it because I just feel like there's other alternatives. If you can help lower your anxiety with food, omega-3 is really good for that, and depression. I meditate for that as well. I try to put that in my schedule. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and grub. So I'll see you guys later. All right, so I just got back home and I ended up getting this salad right here that looks so good. Let me show you. cannot wait to eat it. Oh my God, my nails are so long. I got this. I'm a strong, independent woman. At least we know it's fresh. Okay. So this is what I got. This is a salmon with baby spring mix and some avocado. It comes with this miso sauce dressing that I'm just gonna pour all over. Avocado is like one of my favorite things in the world. That is a food item. I could eat it every single day. I could drink it. Avocado is just like the best thing ever made. I also got this berry detox drink right here, and it has filtered water, lemon juice, agave nectar, strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, and cayenne pepper. So let's see how this goes. I've never had this one before. Oh, it's so good. I drink a lot of water throughout the day. I actually drink a lot of water. There's a lot of empty water bottles that I need to remove from the side of my bed, actually. Maybe that's too much information. But anyways, I drink a lot of water, but today I'm drinking this detox juice. And yeah, this is my lunch. It has some tomatoes in it, in the salad, some carrots, and I'm just gonna chop it all up and put it in my mouth. Can I tell you guys something? I'm gonna put some honey mustard dressing in there to make it even better. So just letting you guys know, that's what I'm drizzling in here. This is why I'm not healthy. Moderation. Just a FYI, I would be on my phone, but I'm actually using my phone to record this video right now. So enjoy me looking at my food and eating my food. While I'm sitting here with you guys, not using my phone, I just want to share with you guys some ways to help calm your mind, body, and soul so that you're not only glowing from the outside, you're actually glowing from the inside. Not only do foods help this, the collagen that I drank earlier, but also meditation does help, and quiet time for yourself actually helps tremendously. So I would suggest you guys, if you have anxiety or you just need some time to yourself, definitely take that time out. Either if it's in the morning for a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, if you can do longer, awesome. Or at night, even in the middle of the day, if you like have some time, or you just need to stop, and it will calm your mind, because we're always thinking about 1,000 different things at one time. That can definitely help our anxiety get worse. So if you just calm your mind, think of one thing, or just focus on yourself, your breathing, it will really help. So hopefully that helps. It is currently 4:30. I had lunch at 2:30 and I'm running errands. Also, I have to get a pedicure before an event that I have on Friday. So I'm running to do that. And while I'm in the car, I am drinking my water. I always have a bottle of water with me and I just drink that throughout the day. I haven't opened that one because I just got in the car. So that is what I'm doing. I am headed to get a pedicure, which I haven't had in a while. And thankfully I get to get it done because that would not be cute if I didn't. Guys, I forgot my credit card in the nail salon, but I wanted you to see how beautiful this looks. Oh my gosh. Thank God for LA. This is so gorgeous. I would show you guys my pedicure, but I am so pale right now that my feet might blind you. So I'm getting a tan tomorrow for this event that I'm having. But now I have a few other errands to run, some things to pick up from the store. And meanwhile, I'm drinking water. They gave me a water inside the nail salon, but you know what I did? I'm such a dork. I bring nuts with me. I have these roasted pistachios and sriracha almonds. It's such a yummy snack and it's kind of healthy, so I'll be snacking on that while I am running some errands, so let's go. I'm currently picking up a few things from the craft store, and I think I'm gonna get a few of these guys to make like a bouquet or something. These little pom-poms remind me of boba. I mean mochi. All right, so we're heading to the kitchen so we can make this really, really good salad. It's chicken, avocado, butter lettuce, dates. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I'm putting in it. Caesar is cutting an avocado right now. I'm gonna put my phone down. right, so I'm done with dinner. I'm so full, but I know a little bit later on, I always like to munch a little bit. So I'll either do frozen grapes or these. I'm gonna show you what they are. They look like little peanut butter cups, but they're almond butter. They're so good. So I don't know if I'm gonna have one of those or not, but I'm full. I feel like I ate a lot today. I think it was a smoothie. The smoothie really fills me up, and I haven't had a taste of coffee today. Proud of myself. Again, this is not something I do all the time. I may have coffee, I may have crispy chicken instead of the salmon that I had earlier. So I change it up. I don't stick with the same thing, but pretty much I try to incorporate this kind of a diet into my life. I also feel like depending on the food that you eat and what you put into your body, your skin, it can either improve or get worse. So for me, my skin has been improving, and I definitely think it's everything that I've been incorporating into my diet. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thanks to NeoCell for sponsoring this video. And if you want to see more, make sure to comment below what you want to see next. And thumbs up this video if you liked it. And I've never done this video before. Let me know how I did. If you haven't seen these two videos on the side, make sure you check them out. And that's it. Just remember that you are beautiful and make today happen. Make it yours. Love you. Bye, guys.